Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do quite a few things actually. We're going to start off by putting the Le Mans back together so we can get it out of the way. And then we're going to toss the motor in the S10 and we're going to go put the motor and transmission in the old C10. So we got a packed day. We'll see if we can get it all done. Let's get started. You know, I finally figured out why I can't find none of my tools. Somebody just leaves them laying around when they're done working on their dang car. We got the little small block all assembled for the S10. I got to get it off of this test stand, which I never did fire it up, but I know it'll run. It's not a big deal. It ran when it came out of the C10. And we're going to toss it in the S10. Mainly I'm trying to clean out my garage, get some space freed up. But here's the motor for the C10. You can see a pattern here. Apparently I like Chevy orange on, Chevy products, so let's get started. All right, I'm gonna be lifting this the old school way with a chain. I do have this carb plate. Take the carb off, put that there. However, this intake has certs in it. I'm not gonna take a chance. I don't even do it with aluminum intakes anyway, so we're not taking any chances, so we're just gonna use a chain. I usually just go from head bolt to head bolt, and I'll start in the back. If anything's in the way, we'll take it off. We should have plenty of clearance, shouldn't have to worry about bending or breaking anything, so we're going to do it this way. So after a little bit of investigation, I decided to, I was checking it. I thought it was low on fluid. I tried to bleed air out of it, couldn't get it to work. Ended up pulling this out and there was a bunch of junk settled in the bottom of it. And there was no fluid coming out of it. I took my pick and moved a piece of crap that was down in there. As you can see, I made a mess, but now it's working. Thing you need to think about if you're getting ready to build one of these engine run stands is, I didn't think about this, but my cherry picker will not slide all the way over it. So I have to do some janky crap here in a minute. This should be fun. And now we're going to try to take these bolts loose that I put on the motor mounts. All right, we got I think these are older Transadapt motor mounts. Put them on here. Got these 3 bosses on the side of the small block. Now, I'll come back and put different bolts in it. These are just ones I had. The motor's just kind of going in there to get it out from in front of my bench. We don't even know what transmission's going in the truck yet. I don't even really have a plan for this truck yet, if we're being honest, so let's kind of put them in the center because they are slotted. I could use air tools, but I don't feel like listening to my air compressor, so we're just gonna do it this way. Apparently that boss is messed up, so on to the other side. Same thing on this side. Just got the 3 bosses. These bolts may be too long, I don't know. These bolts are most definitely too long, so I'll have to go find some shorter ones. If you ever watch my videos and think, this guy's an idiot, don't feel bad. I watch my videos and I think, man, that guy's an idiot too. But I'm an idiot that gets shit done. All right. Time to set it in. I'm gonna set my phone case on this table if I'm looking for it later. Now this truck, race truck, your hood probably don't come off like that. All right, now my core support's just sitting on here. It's got a couple bolts in it. We're gonna pull it out of the way. Now we don't have to jack the motor up to go over the core support. And it might not too. That's all done in there. Get the old tire iron, actual tire iron. A little persuasion maybe. Yep, that screwed me. Lost my shoe. Problem is the steering shaft. There we go. Alright, remember what I said about those adjustable motor mounts? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to take these loose, try to slide that thing back as far as we can, tighten it up. So I have to raise the motor back up a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Motor's raised back up. See if we can slide that back. There we go. Let's tighten up this front one because you can get to all these real easy. So see if we can slide this thing in place now. Come on. I think if I can ever get it slid down there. All right, after a little persuasion, we got these motor mounts where they'll slide in. All right, this one's wanting to be a little bit of a not nice motor mount, so we're gonna have to do a little more persuasion with this one than we did the other side. Go find my alignment bar. Too far. This is why you need two people. I should have asked a buddy to come over and help me, and my buddy Justin said he would. I'm always like, no, I don't need help, I got this. All right, there you go. Small block is sitting in the S10. That's all we're gonna do for today. We're gonna put the core support back on it, put the hood back on it, and then we're headed to Mulberry to put the motor in Dad's C10. All right, don't that look better? Actually fits pretty good. I can see we're gonna have a little bit of clearance issue on that exhaust. Now that the motor mounts are in, I can slide that forward some, so that's not gonna be an issue. I'll be honest with you, this is a Trans-Adapt kit with the 2.8 liter V6 motor mounts. It fits pretty good. And these headers fit really nice. I'll put the part numbers up for all of it. But let's get the hood put back on so we can load up and head to Dad's. All right, we got the hood put back on it. It's got a cowl hood, but it's dented on the corners. I don't know if flew up at one time or what. We're gonna try to maybe put a little heat to it, bend it back out. We're gonna use it. This is a budget build. So. Yeah, that looks better. All over from my phone case. Remember, I set it on the table.